Are you telling me that our refrigerator is possessed?
You've got to leave, Eileen. You and your husband. Save yourself, if you can.
Steve!
My mother came by today, and then just disappeared. Isn't that strange?
Now I get it. They're trying to scare us out so we sell now and blow our profits.
Steve, the plumber told me the last tenants disappeared.
Really?
Yeah, don't you think that's a little weird, like with that girl today and with Paolo?
Who's Paolo?
He's the plumber's assistant.
What are you doing with the plumber's assistant?
Jesus, Steve. Nothing, but he is missing also. Steve, you used to be a lot different. We used to have so much fun together. You were so wild and crazy back at school.
Well, that wasn't so long ago. 2 or 3 years, maybe, right?
Feels like a lot longer.
Well, listen, don't worry about that, okay? You're gonna see me plenty crazy in the years to come.
That's not what I meant.
What did you mean?
Steve, who are you?
I'm your husband.
Don't you want to come?
Where are they going?
The gateway is open.
Bright and early, Bateman.
Mr. Walters.
Hello.
Daddy? Daddy, this is Eileen. How are you? Listen, Daddy, do you know where Mummy is? I want to talk to her.
No, Eileen. She left. Said some crazy things to me, and then she just went. But she'll turn up, you'll see. Why, I bet that's her now knocking on the door. I better go, sweetie.
Okay, Daddy. Thanks anyway.
Goodbye, Pumpkin.
Damn it! Okay. Plunger? Mouse traps? Defrost? Action housewife. Mouse trap. Defrost.
What did you see?
All of them. They're in there.
Steve Bateman. What? Let me speak to her. She is. All right. Listen, who is this? Yeah, I remember you. Okay, thank you. Shit.
Where have you been?
They said you were sleeping. What happened?
I was sleeping.
I got you these Valium. For your nerves.
Get rid of that refrigerator.
The refrigerator?
You heard me, Steve. If you give a damn about me, get rid of it now.
I most certainly do give a damn about you, but why should I get rid of the refrigerator all of a sudden?
Don't give me a lot of crap, Steve. I'm not spending another night in this place with that thing. It leaks, it smells, it's noisy, and I don't like it. Now just do it for me, now, damn it.
Hey. What are we supposed to do about food? What, am I supposed to go out and just buy another major appliance just like that because my wife is a little spooked about the fridge?
I'll take it away, Eileen.
Thank you, Juan.
Touch it, and I will have you arrested, pal.
Juan will take it away.
No, he will not. And it may interest you to know that I can't go around spending $300 or $400 at the drop of a hat. There's nothing wrong with that fridge. It keeps things cool. It's June now, and yet we can have ice-cold drinks when we want them. It keeps our food fresh. Without it, what we didn't eat would go rotten.
Get out of here.
I took time off from work so that I could get you these pills, so that you might sleep and calm down. Did I not do my cartwheels fast enough for you?
Get out of here. I would rather be alone with myself than with a jerk like you.